So we have this question on the board. A machine of velocity ratio 6 requires an effort of 400 Newton to raise a load of 800 Newton through 1 meter. Find the efficiency of the machine. Okay, now this question we have on the board is a question on machine. Now, the first thing you need to do is to bring out the parameters from the question. So we are going to bring out the parameters from this question. Okay, now solution. A machine of velocity ratio. So we are given velocity ratio denoted with VR is equal to 6. Requires an effort of 400 newtons. So we are given effort to be what? 400 newtons. To raise a load of 800 newtons. So we are given L to be what? 800 newton. Through 1 meter. So we are given distance to be what? 1 meter. Find the efficiency of the machine. All right. So what formula can you remember that has to do with machine efficiency? Okay. Now efficiency is equal to what? Mechanical advantage all over what? Velocity ratio times 100%. This is the formula. Now you come back to your parameters. I want to show you how you can manipulate until you get the proper formula to be used for a particular question. Now, look at what we have. This is the formula for efficiency. Now, we don't have mechanical advantage. We don't have mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is not given in this question. Okay, it's not given. But we can find it. All right? We can find it. What is mechanical advantage? Mechanical advantage is what? Is simply what? You can further break it down. It's simply what? Load all over what? Effort. All right? Load all over what? Effort. Then all over velocity ratio. We are given velocity ratio. So we don't need to break down velocity ratio, but I hope you know that the formula for velocity ratio is what? Distance moved by effort all over distance moved by load. Okay, but they gave us velocity ratio, so we don't need to break down the formula for velocity ratio. So we can just put it here straight up. Okay, times what? 100%. So we have all our formula. All right, so the next thing we do is to apply. Now we have this. We can further break it down to make the solving easier. This formula is the same thing as load all over effort times what? 1 all over what? Velocity ratio times what? 100%. Look at it very well. I didn't do anything serious. Okay, I didn't do anything serious, but let me explain it. Okay, so we have this load all over effort divided by what? Velocity ratio. If I split this, we have load all over effort divided, look at it, divided by what? Velocity ratio. So you know the rule in mathematics, if you are changing division to multiplication, what do? You make this to be an inverse, the other side. Okay, so this becomes what? Load all over effort times what? 1 over what? VR. And that is how we got to this point. Now we can substitute. All right, so we have E is equal to, what is L? L is what? 800 all over E is given as what? 400 times 1 all over, what is velocity ratio? 6. So we have 1 over 6 times 100%. All right, 400 here 1, 400 here 2. Okay, so we are left with this, right? So 2 here 1, 2 here 3, and this is equal to what? 1 all over 3 times what? 100%. So 3 divided by this will give us 0.333, then times 100%, it becomes what? We have 33 point, yes, we have 33.3% as our what? Answer. Okay, now you look at the options we have 50% wrong, 22.2% is wrong, and then we have it here 33.3 as our answer. I hope you enjoyed this problem solving. Subscribe please, share please, comment. If you have any questions, please lay your questions in the comment section, or rather write your question in the comment section, and I'll be swift to answer your question. Thank you for your time. Bye.